Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. Guess what? Go and grab a snack, your favorite snack, and run come back because I'm making some fruit cakes. Yes, let's see what we have here. These are my ingredients. Of course, we need fruits, and I put those to soak for months now or something, at least 2. I'll link that video down below. You know, you need butter in your cake, and then we have those nice little flavorings there. Of course, you need sugar and some flour, and you need rum and wine for your fruit cake for sure. Okay, so first we're going to blend out, smooth out, nice out with butter and with sugar. So it's a pound of sugar and a pound of butter, right? And because I'm making 2 cakes, so say it's just you alone, you know, you just want one like a nice like a one cake. Okay, now pressure the thing, you don't really want too much calories in your body. So you know you're gonna make 1, so half pound of sugar, half pound of butter. And if you want it in another metric, in another measurement, just punch it into your Google translation or whatever. Say pound of flour, pound of sugar, how much is that in centimeter, millimeter, half inch, and you know, the works. But yes, now that we have gotten that nice and smooth, there it is, all fluffy and looking so good, we are going to add our eggs. And I'm using a total of 6 eggs. So it's 3 eggs per cake, right? So because I'm doing 2 cakes, I need 6 eggs. So yes, and we're going to alternate in adding these. So some add an egg, we mix. And then I add another egg and mix. Now, this part is very easy. Worse if you have a little sous chef. You have somebody working with you and them can crack and give you and crack and give you. I mean, you add 6 eggs in no time. So yes, just add and mix. This is pretty easy. And do you guys see the texture of the mixture changing? It getting so fluffy and looks so good. You know, like when you bathe and you add your lotion to your body. Yes, look there. Yes, come through softness. Ready. It's slowly approaching the video light. It's getting there. So that look good. So yeah, done with that. Now let's sift our flour. So also I'm using a pound of flour. And guys, don't use the flour in the cake and don't sift it. Always sift your flour. You see them little business there, just dash them away. We don't do well with those little tiny balls. We don't play with those. So yes, just sift your pound of flour and could a smoke no, and a smoke a flour. Lord deliver me. Okay, so after we measure the flour, now the same thing we are gonna alternate. And guys, yes, now we are gonna wonder if a smoke, look what is going on. But guess what, we're adding so this is 1 cup of milk, right? So alternate. So when you pour in the flour, just pour a little milk on it so it don't do all of the extra stuff there. Look at the mess. But I mean, so it go. When you say it's not always pretty, it's not always pretty. But hey, guess what it always is though is tastes good. Can I tell you guys? Yes, it is always tastes good time in the kitchen, even if we make a mess. So yeah, just do that until you finish the entire bowl of flour, right? 1 heap of mess. So And as a matter of fact, you know what else you could do? You could just even use one spoon and kind of mix it together. Get the flour down in there first, and then you go in with the mixer, right? So that you don't have all that mess. Don't follow me with that part. Or just pour the milk all over it before you start do that. So yes, of course, you know, you want to take down what's at the side. By the way, guys, I'm using my hand mixer this time because I'm like, no, you guys need to be up close and personal in every way in this thing, so you can see the textures properly, like, you know, at each stage. So yeah, that's why I'm using the hand mixer. But look at that texture, look at that. Okay, so now we're going to take out our fruits. So this here, when I tell you say it well seasoned, because I know say it has soaked for a while. So you take out what you want now, guys. Guess what I do? I blend out my fruits. I do not like fruit cake with them big old fruits in there. I do not like it. I don't like the taste. I don't want to bite in any raisin. I don't want to bite in any of that. So I always blend out my fruits. So you're going to use the same liquor, as in the rum and the wine, we're in that combine, and throw it into the you know, on the fruits that you're going to blend out, and blend it. So no water, you not add no water, no nothing like that. You use the same liquid that it's being soaked in and blend it, and there we have it. Now mind you, it's not semi get it like completely puree, you know, but it needs to be blended out a bit. A little bit of, you know, chunks still in there, but nothing major. So yeah, now we're adding some flavoring. So cinnamon, nutmeg, almond and what is that? Rose and almond, and some vanilla. So I added all of those, and guys, this smells so good. This smells so good. By the way, the ingredients will be in the description box. But this smell amazing. And guys, guess what too? You see, when you do this part, after you add everything, you don't mix out your cake, you add all the ingredients and stuff, please taste it a little bit. Take a little piece, not even a little piece. Take up a little bit of the mixture and taste it, and you will see if you need more vanilla, more nutmeg, or whatever. So yeah, now that we mix those in, I'm pouring in my fruits. And then just mix that in. And guys, guess what? I do not like black cake. You know, enough people Christmas fruit cake normally, or the fruit cake just normally really just blackity black. I don't like that. I don't at all. So growing up, my mom always had to make my cake separate. I always have to make it separate, because me not in the black cake. Me don't like black cake. Me not like nothing too black. As in with cake, because I'm a black woman, so that's not what I'm talking about, right? So yeah, add the rest of the fruit. So for me, this is all me would I need in my cake, right? And then I just bake it. But yeah, because I don't like black cake. So to each them own. So none of us, we are not going to be fighting here about anything. So nobody not going to back out no Vaseline and not ready for throw hands, right? The only hands we throw up, it's in the air to say praise Jesus, sweet baby Jesus, lying in the manger. Thank you, Lord. Hallelujah. Yes, we're not gonna fight. Everybody loves things different, and we all do things differently, right? The way on my cake kind of seem weird. Made it kind of hesitant for sure, but at the same time, all it need is just a little tweaking, like how me don't like it super dark or whatever, and you like it that way. May have something for you, and you just have to go add more of that too. Where me I gotta tell you, right? But we don't need to fight. We really don't need to fight. So yeah, we're all done here, and I'm just getting the spoon to just show you guys the consistency, and also to just mix it up and go down in at the bottom and make sure say everything mix up and everything is combined and in one accord. So look at that. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Yes, what a piece of fluffiness, smoothness. So yeah, my baking tin, I put, you know, butter in it and then line it with grease paper. So as I was saying, this is my cake. All I did is just pour the mixture in there. I didn't add any browning or anything to it because I don't like black fruit cake. And I put that aside. Now to the next one, I'm adding a little browning. So that's why I was saying we don't need to fight. We do not need to fight. I'm kinda catering for you guys just a little bit. I just want to show you this, but I'm not gonna go all the way in because it's still not gonna be that black at all, right? And you don't even have to use browning, you know. You can use Guinness to get the color. But yeah, that's why I was saying we don't have to fight. You just add, all you have to do is just add more fruits if you want more fruits in there, and add your fruits whole if you want your fruits whole. And if you want your cake black, just add more browning. We do not need to fight. But as your sister said, she does not like a black cake at all. But I like the taste of the fruit cake. And that's why I do it this way, right? So yeah, just pour it all in there, get it all in there, and we're going to put it in the oven and bake it until your toothpick come out nice and clean. 176 degrees Celsius, and that is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Everything will be listed down below. So while the cake are going to bake, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to top up back my fruit jar with some liquor in there upon the fruits. And as I go along, so I'm not going to do the other part now. I'm going to add more fruits to the bowl, because you know, to the jar that is. So yeah, set that aside. And here is my cake after 30 or 40 minutes. Like, I'm thinking about other kind of cake. I'm sorry. 40 to 45 minutes, but guys, watch your oven, and everybody oven different. Okay, so while the cake is hot, I'm gonna take it out. By the way, you guys realize the cake drop a bit. That's absolutely normal. So while it's hot, I'm pouring some rum and some wine on it as soon as I take it out of the oven. But guys, me and no rum head or no wine head or no head, so I don't like a lot of something there on my cake. So yeah, I'm just using the spoon now so I can get it around the rim, around the perimeter of the cake. Yeah, so just to pour it down there. So, but yeah guys, this is my cake. This is fruit cake my way, my simple little way. And here we have it, Vibes fam. Here we have it. And by the way, can you guys tell? I like my cake a bit cakey. I like my cake a lot cakey. I don't really like a pudding cake, because I don't even like pudding. So I like my cake to be cakey and just nice and light. And by the way, you guys realize that the cake still never come out like white. This is the one that I didn't add the browning in. So I just wanted to show you guys. So I'm gonna cut in it a bit, and so you guys can see what's inside. And I like my cake just a little bit of pudding with mostly cakey way. I don't know if I explain it, but if you guys could only taste it. Oh yes, I had a piece before I made this video right here. I mean, do the voiceover. So Vibes fam, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, share the video. And guys, please go and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. It is very important that you guys follow me. Thank you so much. God bless you.